Narrator, welcome back to our 30-day video series for UPSC, EG, and NEET aspirants. In today's video, we'll explore the art of effective note-taking, a powerful technique to enhance your learning and revision process. Taking organized and concise notes can significantly improve your comprehension and retention of information. Let's dive into some valuable tips and techniques to help you become a master note-taker. Let's see different note-taking methods, such as the Cornell method or mind maps. First, let's discuss the importance of effective note-taking. Active engagement. Note-taking keeps you actively engaged during lectures, study sessions, or while reading. It helps you focus on the key points, identify important concepts, and make connections between different topics. Condensed information. By condensing information into concise notes, you create a streamlined resource that is easier to review and revise. This saves you time and allows for more efficient study sessions. Student can use different tools for note-taking, such as pen and paper or digital note-taking apps. Now, let's explore some techniques to improve your note-taking skills. The Cornell method. The Cornell method involves dividing your paper into 3 sections, a narrow left column for cues or questions, a larger right column for note-taking, and a bottom section for summarizing key points. This method encourages active learning, easy review, and effective organization. Mind maps. Mind maps are visual diagrams that help you connect ideas and create a hierarchical structure of information. Start with a central topic and branch out with subtopics and supporting details. Mind maps are great for understanding complex relationships and visual learners. 3. Digital note-taking. Utilize digital note-taking apps like Evernote, Microsoft OneNote, or Notion. These apps offer features like cloud synchronization, searchable notes, and the ability to add multimedia elements. They are convenient for accessing and organizing your notes across devices. Cut to a student reviewing their well-organized and visually appealing notes. To make the most of your note-taking process, consider incorporating these techniques. Use keywords and symbols. Focus on capturing the main ideas, keywords, and key phrases. Use symbols, abbreviations, or highlighting to emphasize important information. Active listening and participation. During lectures or study sessions, actively listen and participate. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and seek clarification. This helps in better understanding and capturing relevant points in your notes. Student using these techniques appears confident and organized, reviewing their notes and making connections. By adopting effective note-taking techniques, you create a powerful resource that enhances your learning, understanding, and revision process. Regularly review and revise your notes to reinforce your knowledge and boost exam performance. If you have any questions about note-taking or need guidance on how to optimize your study techniques, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss strategies for solving previous year question papers effectively.